Welcome to another episode of Nepal Drive's Grease Monkey Mondays, powered by Gulf Lubricants. In this episode, we will guide you through the process of changing your engine oil. And to guide you through this, we have the head mechanic from Suzuki Service Center, Mr. Razan Dungana. You can tell if it's time to change your engine oil by either checking the level on the oil dipstick, the engine oil pressure check light on your speedometer, or the time interval suggested by the car manual. Make sure the engine is cold or has been off for at least 10 minutes before you check the oil on the dipstick. To start, you'll have to look under your car to find the drain plug. The drain plug is a large nut or plug located under the oil pan at the bottom of the engine. Place the container under the drain plug. You want this container to catch the oil, so make sure it's big enough. Now unscrew the drain plug. Protect your hand with a rag or wear a glove and be ready to move your hand out of the way. The oil will now drain out of your engine into the container. Once it is completely drained, replace the drain plug and tighten it. Next, you add the new oil. Here we have used the Gulf Ultrasynth X. To do this, look for a screw-off cap on top of the largest part of the engine. It could be blank or it could be labeled oil cap or something similar. Unscrew it open. Turn the oil jug over in one swift motion and stick the tip of the bottle into the engine's fill hole. Try to spill as little oil as possible, but if you want, you can use a clean funnel for assistance. To make sure you use the right oil, consult your owner's manual for the correct viscosity and volume. Once you have replaced the oil, screw the oil cap back on. After pouring in the correct amount of new oil, close the hood, return the dipstick, run the engine, and you're done. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Grease Monkey Mondays. We will be back again next week. Subscribe to our channel for more automotive content from Nepal. Also hit the bell icon to make sure you don't miss out on any of our videos.